So now let's take a look at how we add an additional node into our Cudy mesh whole home system. So first unit master system already set up. Get the next unit out of the box, pretty much do the same thing. So take it out of the box, plug it in, wait for it to boot up. Like I say, this will take a couple of seconds. From either your mobile phone or your laptop, log back into the Wi-Fi that you've set up on the main unit, log back into the admin portal, and then from here, this will give you all the information of that network. Once the additional node has powered on, at the top here you'll see the M3000 unit with a little plus and a little green 1. So at the moment it's currently operating in sole mode, so that we only have one unit set up at the moment. If we want to add a node, simply click the plus. I'm just going to talk you through how to do it. So plug the unit in, and then you can essentially press the button on the back of it. Power it on, wait for the LED to go. So you press the WPS button on the add-on router, and then we click next. So on this one, on the back of the unit, you've got your WPS button there. We're going to give that a quick press, and then we're going to tap next. That's then going to scan from the main unit and find the additional unit that we've got. Now, I always recommend during this initial setup phase, plugging them in local to each other. It just makes this finding each other nice and quick and simple, and you can see there that that's automatically found it. We can confirm it's definitely that one just by matching up the MAC address. We know that's correct. Simply click add. That's all you need to do. Really simple. That's then going to pair these two up. Once these have then paired, the settings that you've configured from the main unit will automatically get copied over to the node. There we go, success. So a couple of seconds, tap next, and then it's then going to advise you on placing this node. So with the way that mesh works, you don't really want to put this node exactly where you want the coverage, because of the way that mesh works, you want to put it sort of halfway between the main unit and where you want the coverage to be, as the signal will bounce through. Hit next, and then again, on the front of the unit, this light at the front will show you what the signal strength is like. Now, this is going to be flashing red here because we've got no network connection, but a solid white or with a blue sort of hint will give you a connected good signal. If it's flashing white or blue, it's connected but the signal's not great. And if you get anything else, it's either connected or disconnected. In this case, it's because we've got no network connection to the internet, to the outer world. Once that's done, if we refresh that home page, within a couple of minutes, this will show up under the mesh units as having 2 units on here. And it's as simple as that. Just a case of rinsing and repeating for the additional nodes. If you've bought a triple pack, then obviously you've got 3 to do, main unit and then 2 additionals. If you've bought additional single to greater expand that network coverage, rinse and repeat this process as many times as you need to. Once you've done that, you're all good to go. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.